Peace. What's up, YouTube? This is David Selvin here with SigBuysHouses.com Supreme Investment Group. That's www.SigBuysHouses.com Supreme Investment Group. And today I would like to talk to you guys about something that's very important, and that is business credit. A lot of people think that it's just all about real estate closing the deal. No, you need all the factors. See, because every little thing is a tool in your toolbox. I mean, you might have to put on your wholesaler hat and wholesale a deal because you don't have enough capital. It just is not the right deal for you in the right area that you want it to be in. And then other times you might need a little bit of funding so you can flip the deal. Or maybe you want to buy and hold. Take the money that you make from rehabbing and put that towards apartment buildings and buy and hold. So everything has its usefulness in this game of real estate, and that goes along with business credit as well. Even though that's somewhat a different subject, but I feel like it's very important because it goes along with exactly everything we're talking about, and that's investing in real estate, making money with real estate. So first thing you want to do is just make sure you're in compliance. You want to make sure that you have your entity set up properly. You want to make sure, and don't worry about the old sayings that you need to have your business for 2 years or more and all that. The rules have changed. I've started a company and had it for just 6 months and gained business credit. But the exception to that rule is that you also need to have good, stellar personal credit. I would say you want to have your personal credit within the 700s or higher. Low sevens or higher is what you want. I myself, I'm about mid 700, and I get approved for whatever I want. When I go for business credit with a new LLC, they will ask for a personal guarantee, and that's what they're going to look for. They're going to look into your personal credit to see, how you're going to pay back your bills. And so, first step is getting your personal credit together. So you want to get that together. You want to take the steps to get it right. You want to always keep your balances below 30% on your personal credit. So which means if you have a $10,000 card, you want to get your balance to $3,000. You don't want it over $3,000 or less. 15% is even better. That just will just make you the man right there, or the woman. Depending if you're king, queen, listening to this YouTube video. So you want to do that first. So once your personal credit is intact, then you could go ahead and start applying for business credit. Well, start getting your compliance together. So what you want to do is you want to set up your entity the right way, whether it be a LLC or corporation. I'm not an attorney. I'm not a CPA, so you will want to consult with one of those guys regarding that. And once it's set up the right way, you want to get your Duns and Bradstreet number. Once you don't necessarily need that as well. I've gotten credit for businesses without a DMB number and got a DMB number later because, there are certain companies that just report to Experian. There's certain companies that report to, other business credit bureaus besides Dun and Bradstreet. And for those that don't know what Dun and Bradstreet is, it's DNB. I believe the website is dnb.com. And basically, they're like one of the biggest business credit bureaus, kind of like what Experian or Equifax or TransUnion is to your personal credit. And so a lot of times, lenders or creditors will go to that and look that up and just, see if you're credit worthy or if your business is credit worthy. You do need financials if you don't want to do a personal guarantee. You need financials of over $1 million annual gross sales. So just keep that in mind, and that's why you want to get your personal credit together. But the thing is that credit is leverage. I grew up with my older sibling, my older brother, and my father as well as my mother. They always taught me, credit is bad. You don't want to use credit. Credit is terrible. Well, it is terrible if you're going to use it just to go and blow through Nordstrom's or Macy's and get the flies, jeans and jewelry and all of that stuff. When I turned 18, they gave me a $5,000 credit card, and without knowing any better, without anybody teaching me or me teaching myself, I went down to the jury exchange in the town that I was living in and bought a $5,000 diamond bracelet. How stupid was that? You know, ruined my credit in one swipe. So, you know, credit is good. It's leverage, and it's good if you use it for the right things, like making more money. You know, I mean, you might be short on capital, and that credit might just be what you need to take you over the top to get what you need done, to get the deal done. And that's what it's all about. It's all about getting the deal done and getting the deal closed. So, you know, just little quick words of advice. You know, we're gonna dig deeper in this later on in these videos. It's just whenever I get some downtime, I try to talk to YouTube and let you guys know little tidbits and bits and pieces of the game, you know, and try to hopefully it will steer somebody in the right direction for them to pursue the knowledge for themselves. You know, I mean, I'm not going to give everything away because I just can't in these little 2-3 minute videos, 10-minute videos or whatever. That's impossible. You know, there's so much knowledge. Knowledge is infinite. So always remember, when you're green, you're growing. When you're ripe, you're rotten. So don't be that rotten fruit, because knowledge is infinite. You're going to always continue to learn. So with that being said, you know, I just want to, you know, take this little bit of time, like I said, when I'm down, and that's why you always see me in the car driving, because that's when I got some downtime, and just wanted to talk to you guys. So take that with you and, you know, and look into it. Again, David Selvin, Supreme Investment Group, SIGBuysHouses.com. That's SIG-BuysHouses.com. If you have a property that you're looking to sell, or you have some deals that you need a partner to help you close these deals, come talk to me. Hit me up on my website. My contact information is at the bottom of this video.
It's you and me forever.